Well, girls and guys, welcome back to the channel. We have got a Monday morning fun game going on here. So this is a customer's BMW 320D. Now, 320 is going to be important in this because of the failure that we've noticed. The wheel is wonky because we've already taken that wheel off. So customer reports, turned the corner, loud bang. Let's have a look. So we're up in the air, wheels are loose. First thing we've noticed is, well, we've loosened the wheels, not the wheels are loose. That CV boot is ripped to death. But you wouldn't believe that's actually the better of the two because, yep. You see that pipe there? That's a brake pipe. That brake pipe's come from here. So somehow, I don't know. I actually don't know, but there's a snap bolt I can see. We've got a snap bolt, beautiful, just what we need. But, oh, and a chunk missing out of the diff. Well, this is different, isn't it? So yeah, customer reports, loud bang, and everything went horribly wrong thereafter and no drive. So, as it is a BMW, we've got 2 drive shafts in for it. I'm gonna give this a good little go now to replace it. Now, wish us luck because drive shafts and BMWs, they just don't like separating. So let's give it a go. Wheels already loose, let's get moving. Okay, before we go any further, we have been trying to get this off for a while. You'll see I have drill bits out. There's a reason. The drive shaft nut, which we have off, was seized, but as you can see, I managed to get the drill bit because these drill bits are so bloody good. The Milwaukee Thunderweb, whatever they are amazing drill bits because I managed to just mill straight down the middle, a little bit of heat, and you wouldn't believe it, but the nut's off, and the drive shaft, I'm still confused, but the drive shaft is free, single, and ready to mingle. So that is side one. Like, anyone that works on BMWs know that these are not easy to get out. So you have no idea how happy I am right now. So we're gonna whip this shaft out, assess the damage to the brake pipe, fit a new shaft on this side, remove the snap bolt in there, do what we need to do, and with a little bit of luck, we can have side one done in not too too distant future. But yeah, I'm really impressed with the Milwaukee Thunderbolt drill bits. Moving on to side 2. I might just get the edges and just call it a day. All right, I've made an entry hole and I've got the banger on ready to go. Yeah, good luck. Oh yes, tell me you love me. Got a little bit too excited there. And we have what I would call a marginal win. Yeah, winner chicken. Oh, we actually cracked it in the end, which is the result. Now, is it gonna move? Today must be my day? I don't know. Everyone that's dealt with these will know that I'm actually winning at this moment in time. So, just get rid of a few years of crap. So yeah, both drive shafts have relieved themselves. Winning! All right, so twisted shaft 1 and section of brake pipe is out. Drop the exhaust a little bit, just give us some room to oh, look at that, it's cracked there as well. Yeah, we're gonna whip this shaft out and then check the diff's operation, make sure that's not faulty in any way. And we're nearly ready. All right, so we've taken this one out because obviously we've got one snap bolt. I am gonna try and remove it. Okay, did a little pilot hole, made the hole a little bit bigger, and it went through. So now we're gonna stick an easy out in there and pull it out. Sometimes using, it's not coming out now. There it is. So I've managed to just wedge a Phillips screwdriver in because I couldn't find the right easy out. And would you Adam and Steve it? It's out. Lovely. All right, that's back in. Now, the brake pipe that had snapped went from here all up and around to here above the diff. So I'm gonna make that brake pipe while I have the room. Something, I wanna say something, but I don't wanna say something for mechanic superstition, but. All right, quickly made up a brake pipe, tucked it in the routing it should go, and it's in. So we've got to bleed the brakes up after. Good news is, raiding my box of bolts from breaking a few cars, we've got some drive shaft bolts left over, which is always a happy day. So we've replaced all the bolts on this side because we can't trust them. Now it is refit time. Right, we just need to tighten up the hub nuts, but the drive shaft bolts are all in and all marked up. Very good, feeling very positive. Just gotta bleed the brakes and take it for a test drive, really. Oh, and put the exhaust back on, nearly forgot. Yeah, don't forget that. So hub nuts are all in tight. I'm just sticking a hell of a load of anti-seize compound because I don't want these to rust into a little nubbin like the other one. Same on the other side, we've also cleaned out all the swarf and everything like that, which is a good job. Now let's give a nice little paint up. Lovely. Right, bleeding brakes time. All right, all brakes have been bled. We've got no leaks from the pipes. Now it's wheels on and ready for a road test. So, been for a nice little road test. I'm all happy. It has drive, which is the main thing, and it's not broken anymore. So this one is done.